Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to LaSalle College Vancouver High School's Roundtable. We thank our kids for making this event possible and so happy how one of our parents, Mr. Fred Yu, and a recent graduate, Samuel, as a panelist here with us today. I hope everyone is staying healthy and well. My name is Sunny Zhao. I'm the recruitment manager here at LaSalle College Vancouver High School. On behalf of our principal, Mr. Kohi, I also welcome everyone here today. LCV High School is a grade 10 to grade 12 high school located within our Vancouver College campus. I will share a little bit about our college and the network of schools. Our college has multiple schools of study like game design and VFX, graphic design, interior design, fashion design, culinary arts. Our college students, faculty, and alumni have won many awards in many industry areas, and LCV has been ranked number one in Canada in game programming for many years. In fact, I want to give Samuel a congratulations for his offer to join our Bachelor of Science in Game Programming. Our network of college include LaSalle College Vancouver and the 22 campuses around the world. So Samuel, let's start with you and then Fred. Welcome to you. Can each of you just introduce yourself and tell us something cool and interesting about yourself?
I guess I'll go first. My name is Samuel Mathagu. I come from Kenya, back in Africa. And my joy is to play video games. I love playing video games a lot, and that's why I endeavor to continue with game programming as a course at LaSalle College, Vancouver.
Okay. Fred?
Hello, my name is Fred. My son Jin Yu had the grade 12 education in LaSalle High School. I originally come from China. Because of COVID-19, we cannot live together. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So now let's jump. Let's start with right into our Q&A roundtable. I want to start from the student point of view. Samuel, I want to ask you a question. What did you appreciate the most about our school during your time here?
So the thing I appreciated most is the level of kindness and support that the school the school managed to give me when I was there. Me being a new student at the school is not easy, especially traveling all the way from Kenya in Africa. The school was very welcoming, and that's the thing I appreciate most about the school.
Oh, sounds great. So Samuel, could you tell us what is the most different about LCV High School and your previous school in Kenya?
So, although both schools are good in their own ways, I appreciate the LCV for high school for its the method of learning. It's very engaging between the teacher and the student. Maybe it's because of the numbers, I don't know, but then regardless, the engagement between the teachers and the students is very conversant between them, and you get to learn more about the teacher, and you get to understand better even in school.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, if the school were to be a single person, what would its personality be? If just only use the 3 words about that.
I'd say the school is beautiful, first of all, because of once you get into the school, you'd notice pieces of art, be it from the fashion design section or sculptures created by various students from the school, and that those pieces make up the beautiful scene of the school itself. Another thing personality-wise will be friendliness. The staff members of the school are very friendly and supportive. which also leads to the third personality being supportive, because they coincide with each other, the friendliness and supportiveness, which brings up this one whole personality that the school brings.
Okay, so your point of friendly is from teacher, faculty, everyone, right?
Yeah, and the support, the friendliness is the whole, let's say the whole school community.
Yeah.
Then the supportiveness now comes from the individual staff.
Yes, even the principal support you a lot.
Everyone, every single staff member supports me
Okay.
a lot.
Yeah. Fred, actually, I want to ask you the same question.
Yes.
Yeah, if the school were be a single person, what would be, the personality be? Use 3 words about that.
Yeah, for me, I think for me, if I choose one, is the honesty for me, because school is, to be honest, owing to the virus, we really worry about because a lot of students cannot come to Canada for international students, especially. So we worry about the school if they can really arrange for everything. But now everything is okay. So for me, I think I really appreciate this because my kids there, yeah, he had get all the support, yeah, from school. So everything is smooth for me.
Oh, okay.
Second, if you see another word, I think is patient. I can feel all the teachers, even principal, they're very patient for my son. Yeah, always give him some opportunities, always encourage him to to improve.
Patient.
Yeah, patient. And another word I say it's beautiful. It's a nice school campus. I agree with Samuel. Same. I can give the same word there. Yeah.
Yeah. So I want to add something here. Actually, patient. We're so lucky have Mr. Kohi as our principal, right? He cares about students and the parents so much, helping the students to reach their dreams and the goals. It's his passion. So Mr. Kohi is always happy to meet and speak with the students and their families about how LCV High School can support them in reaching, their dreams. I think a lot of students appreciate that. So we are so lucky about that.
Yeah.
Okay. So Samuel, back to you. Just a couple more questions. Okay. So if there one thing that you would change about the LCV High School for the better, what would it be?
Okay, so coming from my school back in Kenya, the Alliance High School, I was a very sportive kind of person. I engaged a lot in sports. I was the vice captain of the hockey team. So coming to LaSalle College, it was a bit difficult to fit in because I understand because of the COVID and everything.
Yeah.
Maybe things were a little bit hard. But if there were, I was thinking if there were more sporting activities, maybe some PE kind of related games, I think the level of head clearance between the students in classes will have been a bit better and not all about the classroom activities, although they were still good enough.
Okay, so as you know, when you join us, actually is during the COVID period, right? So that's a special. So everything is like stopped. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. But actually we have a lot, but just a special period. So yeah. But you still continue with us, right? So probably next year and the next year you will see what's a different.
I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Good. So next question, what do you think families would find the most surprising about LCV High School?
I think it's the level of support from the staff. I know there's a certain degree of support that you already expect, but now when it even comes to the principal, as you said, the level of support he brings up is tremendous and shocking, and also like it's also heartwarming. It makes you want to do whatever you want to achieve, because everything is so like it's pumped up. It's like some sort of energy that it gives you. So the level of support from the staff all the way
Mm-hmm.
is something. It's really something. That's all I can say. It's really something.
Okay. So anything else?
Okay. I'd say. Can you pardon the question again?
So for the most surprising about LCV High School,
Okay,
because
okay,
it's not
okay.
usually is a high school and the college won't be the same campus, right? We share
Yeah.
the same campus, but the COVID killed our, special thing. If no COVID, actually the high school student will see the college students, their different program. Actually, they can see the different, but in past 2 years, a little
Oh,
bit
okay.
difficult, right?
Okay, so I could also maybe the level of the equipments used with like the equipment used by the students. Let's say like for example, the 3D printer is not something I'd expect to have used maybe in high school, but then I
Yeah.
still used it then. Maybe something I'd have expected to use maybe in the college section or anything, but then so the level of equipment, the staff are also engaging to teach you how to use it and not just go find out for yourself or something like that, which was something I was used to back in Kenya.
Mm.
So such little things are what make the difference.
Yeah, that is a part of a value, training the high school as a college, university student to realize what's a different, right? So you can learn more in high school. That's perfect. So finally, Samuel, my last question to you is what advice would you give the students just entering, LCV high school?
I'd say when joining the school, you should join it with an open-minded brain. As I say, you should join the school open-minded because the opportunities you can get from the school are wide. They're really wide. There's opportunities left, right, and center. So it's upon you to pinpoint when you can grab onto that opportunity and hold to it dearly because it can take you far.
Mm-hmm. So be honest, that when you joined the LaSalle College High School, did change your mind? Because in the beginning, I remember you want to apply another, the university or college, right? But finally, you get an offer from us. What's that, you know, make you thinking join, us?
So I think the community I came to personalize with in LaSalle is what made me change my perspective on which school I want to join. Because for LaSalle, the opportunity to join game programming, even with its background itself,
Mm-hmm.
it's known to be a very good school in that sector. So, and plus, I'm also familiar with the school, so it's like a huge family. It's like a huge family.
Mm-hmm.
So all these little things are the what I was able to pinpoint to making this one big decision to stay at LaSalle College.
Great, amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Samuel. We wish you the very best in your game programming career, okay?
Thank you very
So
much.
now let's jump over to you, Fred. As a reminder, Fred is a parent of one of our current students. So Fred, let me ask you a question. Why did you choose the school originally?
I think for private school, high school, I think for me it's important things like you have a low teacher and students ratio that can than the public school.
Mm-hmm.
So once the students can get more attentions from teachers and even principal, like I said before. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is very important. Also, I think the school has a very good arrangement, like with 3 semesters, semesters, so that you can get more options for course selection. It's good for the students because Jin stayed there for grade 12, so it's good for him to get a graduation. Yeah, I think that's
okay.
main
So
reasons.
in which ways in the school what do you expect, and in which way is it's not?
It's like you know, we with you before the application with the family with Jin, so that's why we see the school is nice and it's also located in the college campus. For us, we hope that this can bring Jin some you know, this college atmospheres to be more you know, prepared for the next education. Because of the COVID, I know it's you know, the college was shut down for some times, right? Because the school cannot go to school, but still, it's good. It's good. The atmosphere.
Open the mind for the high
open
school.
mind and for school. Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
So, what is the biggest impact the school has had on your son, Jin?
I think he stayed there like 3 years. I think it's most important for him, the change is like he's got more confident for me, because you know, the teachers, for example, like English study teachers, you know, told him at the course that there's no exact answers. If you can just express your point of view clearly, if you can always argue with the teachers, with your classmates, and this bring him more confidence to, you know, to express his own ideas. It's not only like a frame that they can, you know, block your, you know, yeah, it's more open-minded. Yeah, I think it's that's the most important, I think.
It's for international students, especially for the Chinese, it's hard to open their mouths to say, to express, right?
Exactly.
So because we are small class number, so teacher always encourage them to do that.
Yes, he has more opportunity to show his own real ideas. That's very important, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So what do you think Jin has, you know, to say about our school?
I think he liked the school, teachers, you, and the principal. I think he likes everybody. It's very, yeah, this is true. It's not, yeah, it's true. And because teachers always encourage him. And I think he's more, you know, motivated, and also teacher give him all the chance that to improve and to correct his faults and mistakes. I think that's the value of the school also. That's why I think he likes school.
Okay.
He likes LaSalle. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So how would you describe the values of the school as the values of the families in the school community?
I think school for me is not, it's not like only a school to teaching the, you know, my son the knowledge from the academics, but also bring something more than the books. You know, it's I think school should be like a bridge between the family and the children. Because he studied there in the daily life, and the school knows what his problem is, and from our communication we can know what his problem. So we just share the information. This can very good to let the kids grow healthily. I think
so. Our hope, you know, want to make international students feel like we are the big family. It's not like just only the school, right? So we take care of the international students here. So their life, personal life, their study, it's everything, right? So small family, but we care about the students.
Yeah,
that's good. So today, actually, we just asked the simple question to bring our session, you know, to close. I'm just so grateful to both of you taking the time to join us today.